Yo, YouTubers, what's up? Reese here. I'm here to show you the inside of the mausoleum. A really nice guy came here to open the doors for us. I'm so blessed, so honored. As is, I'm gonna share my light and my love with loved ones in the inside. First, we'll take a look around, and then we'll go inside. Without any further ado, let's like thumbs up for me, and let's get right into it. First, we'll look around here. Check out the nice displays they have here. First, we'll get to the walls. And it stops just right about here where the snow is here. We can check around here. I'll just go around here for now. So you see, behind, we'll work our way back. And here we are up at the cemetery. So this is part of the cemetery here. And here we'll get into the inside in a moment as we make our rounds. Beautiful displays. Absolutely love it. Really, really nice stuff here. Very nice. So this is the side walls. So here's the side walls. We'll do that first, and then we'll get in the inside of it. And again, I'm so happy to get this chance to actually go inside the mausoleum here in Mausoleum, BC. Okay, now that we made our rounds, we'll look over here first. Okay, so now that we made our rounds over here, let's now go inside and check out what they have in the inside and what it looks like. Okay. Door is open. All are welcome. We'll go inside and check it out. You see? My reflection waving at you. Here I am going to go in the inside. I'm going to be quiet as I head in. You can see we got Mother Mary here. Mostly like outside walls. Wow. Check the floor level. Very, very peaceful. Just look at the walls. We got this thing here that picks up things and puts them into the areas there. You can see that there's the window there looking out there. We got a sun roof to let the sun shine in. That nice and small, really good. We'll check out the displays here. And again, I'm so happy to take this time to come in. Not that I also want to here now. I will send my love and my light to all the loved ones here inside the mausoleum. As it is, it's wanted to share my love and my light to all of you. That is New Year's of the year of 22, and here I send my blessings to all of you, and just to shine light and love and peace for the New Year's. Bow my head. there I sent my light and my love. I'll just put my hand out like this, and I'll just reach out to everyone on this side or my right side. Still, just reach out to them and send my love and my light for the New Year's of 22. Send my love to all of you. Happy New Year's to all of you inside here. I want to send my happy New Year's to you as well. Sending New Year's love to all of you. Let's say it all to you. So that was my right side. We'll go on the left side. I'll just send my love, my light. I just reach out, sending my positive and my vibes to you upon this day. So yeah, this is what it looks like in the inside. Hope you enjoyed this video, and again, I'm so honored to actually get a chance to come into the mausoleum here, actually inside to check it out, and I'm set to show you what it looks like here in Washington, D.C. Very, very peaceful. I'm speaking kind of quiet because that way it provides peace for everyone that's inside here too. So just wanted to come up here and send my regards into here as well too. Now let's just head back out. This is me heading out of the doors. Now I'm gonna take a look back in through the open door, just as is. So that's what it's like when the door is open. Right there. Give it up for the Nelson City's Mausoleum. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this one a like and pass it around as well too. And yeah, just really happy to have been able to walk into the mausoleum and pay my respects, as well as show my love and my lights around this time as well too. And there I say that with a big smile on my face. Big smile on my face. As is, let's carry on back down here. You can see coming into view back over here. Well, there you go. Sent my love, my light, and my respects to all of you inside there. Much love. And there, I give them a kiss. Because the Valentine's coming in February the 14th. Blessings. Namaste. Yeah, so that place down there, crematorium right there. Just wanted to throw that in there within this video. We'll take a look at the cemetery, what it looks like now with all the snow. Can't really see much stones except for over here. Get to see some over here popping up through the snow. So this is what it looks like when there's lots of snow.
We should get up.
And that's that. There's a bench up there. We're gonna see and try and get up there. Gotta be careful. Could be icy. It's a little bit icy, a little bit there, but I'll see what I can do. Might just stop here and just zoom in. There's a bench right there. I'll just zoom in from here so you can see the bench way up there. so I can sit down. Okay. So that's where the bench was. The mausoleum when we were at was just right over there that we just went to see. And we'll just walk on by and see if you can see other stones peeking its way out of the snow over here. So this is the cemetery was like with snow. We'll go for a little bit longer, but we'll just get a stretch right here instead for this one. Anyways, let's keep looking and see what kind of stones do pop up within the snow. You got one there, a couple there. Here are 11 minutes and counting. Doing really good. Hey, is that a... It looks like Mother Mary in snow. Very heavenly. I like that. I like how it just sits right there in the snow. We got like a wind wheel on that one there. Do not know what this is right here. We can take a look at it on the way. Just right here. Who knows what this little shack thing is like. Interesting. It is locked though. It has a lock just right there on the door there. So we will see some cool little spots. So yeah, all this right here is all with snow up here in the local cemetery up here. We got lots of trees up over here. And we got a stone here. Right down there. So there was the driver there. And he was the guy that let us in to see the mausoleum. You can see right there, just driving along. You'll see some other stones here. Now some stones are pretty big, so you can easily see them. We got a whole stretch right down there. Right through there. We will keep on walking. This pathway is nice and clear. Got a tree. There in the midst. Stones up here too. Oh, gotta take a look at the sun. Gotta get the sun in there. Shining through the trees. Always good to see that. So yeah, these make its way out of the snow pretty good. They're easy to see. get like some for that one. Notice that it gives you a chance to see what the cemetery is like during the winter time. As February is like, it's still winter, but getting close to the spring side of things, almost. Until we hit March, then we'll turn to springtime. We'll see more. And as we walk along, we got a bench right there. We got not a bench right there. That was an illusion. that giving an illusion. That's actually not a bench. Well, part of a bench, I should say. Come back down here. That's one there. Yeah, so this is what it looks like with snow up here. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big size one there too. Cool. We've got some very interesting stones up here, like the other ones that I've done here on my channel. I've also done a few cemetery ones here on my channel. If you haven't seen them yet or watched them yet, don't forget yourself to watch them. There you see lots of great footage and coverage with that one as well too. Let alone this one. This one here goes into the winter up here in the cemetery. And that's that. We got in to see the Mausoleum as well too. So I'm really happy about that. And just heading down now after being inside there and checking out these stones that probably we have never seen before in the other ones, in the other video. As is, one little thing I wanted to share with you is that I have TikTok as well too. Also, I'll get the link and I'll post that link as well too, so you can see the TikTok as well too. Just want to throw that into this video as well too. And again, thank you for tuning in and for watching this video. Anyways, let's carry on. I'm gonna walk out of these doors. The gateway, just right there that I'm pointing out with my finger. Yeah, hand right out there. As now we look back. Sun is reaching the highest peak where that tree is. We'll make our way out now. Out of the gates of the cemetery. Again, here is where the information is. You see just right over there. We'll take a look at that, then we'll make our way out. So here's the information. Don't know if I got that, so I'm here gonna get the information for you guys. So here's the information booth. Right here, so you can take a look into these books right here as well too. Okay, so we got that. Now let's make our way out of the gates. Nice gates too. Let's take a good closer look up at the gates. And what we'll do is I'll walk backwards and try and get the full gates in there so you can see the full gateway. So this is the gateway right here when you enter in the cemetery, just right here. And now from here, we'll end up from here. I'll see you all back for our Valentine's Day trick videos coming up very quickly from here. We just finished our New Year's trick videos, plus the side video that's now up, so you guys can watch that as well too. Anyways, I must be off. So you're silly race. Peace. Have yourself a happy rest, blessed, happy and safe rest. Tongue twister. Have yourself a happy and safe rest, blessed of your New Year's February of 22. Now I must be off. Ciao.